10 ways to celebrate and relax in your garden this summer solstice. Here are 10 inspiring ideas to help you make the most of your garden on the longest day of the year, transforming it into a haven for relaxation and celebration. Host a solstice sundowner. As the sun begins its long descent, gather friends and family for an evening of light refreshments. Perhaps some elderflower cordial made from your own garden, or a chilled, arrange comfortable seating, throw blankets, and string fairy lights for a magical ambiance. Dine al fresco. Set up a beautiful table in your garden for a delightful outdoor meal. Use freshly picked herbs and vegetables from your beds to create a farm-to-table experience. The natural setting will enhance every bite. Create a reading nook. Find a shaded spot under a tree or an arbor and set up a comfortable chair or hammock. Bring out a good book and a refreshing drink and lose yourself in the peaceful sounds of nature. Practice outdoor yoga or meditation. The calm and natural environment of your garden is perfect for mindfulness. Lay down a mat on the grass or a patio and connect with the earth as you stretch or meditate, soaking in the abundant energy of the solstice, stargazy after sunset. Once the long twilight fades, your garden becomes an observatory. Lay a blanket on the lawn and marvel at the stars. If you have a telescope, even better. Enjoy a garden movie night. Project a favorite film onto a screen or a blank wall in your garden. Set up blankets, pillows, and a popcorn machine for a unique cinematic experience under the open sky. Sip and sketch. Journal. Grab a sketchbook, some watercolors, or a journal and find inspiration in the vibrant colors and textures of your garden. It's a wonderful way to unwind and express your creativity. Build a bonfire. If local regulations permit, and you have a designated fire pit, a small bonfire can be a wonderful focal point for an evening gathering. Share stories, roast marshmallows, and enjoy the warmth of the flame. Always have water or a fire extinguisher nearby. Set up a water feature for serenity. The gentle sound of trickling water from a small fountain or pond can be incredibly calming. If you don't have one, consider a small, portable tabletop fountain for instant tranquility. Indulge in a garden spa moment. Fill a basin with warm water. Add some rose petals or lavender from your garden and soak your feet. Follow up with a natural homemade scrub using garden ingredients like mint and sugar. What to consider for your solstice garden experience? Pest control. As evenings stretch, so do the hours for pesky insects. Have citronella candles, natural repellents, or even a fan running to keep mosquitoes at bay. Lighting is key. Beyond just string lights, consider solar-powered pathway lights for safety and ambience. Lanterns and candles can add a charming glow. Comfort is paramount. Provide ample seating with cushions. Throw blankets for cooler evenings, and perhaps even an outdoor rug to define your relaxation or dining area. Weather preparedness. Even on the longest day, weather can be unpredictable. Have a backup plan for rain, and ensure there's adequate shade during the day. Respect nature. Be mindful of your plants and the wildlife in your garden. Keep noise levels respectful and ensure any fires are contained and extinguished properly. Simple is often best. You don't need elaborate setups. Sometimes, the most memorable moments are those that are spontaneous and effortlessly enjoyed in your natural setting. Your garden is an extension of your home, a place of beauty, growth, and endless possibilities for enjoyment. This summer solstice, take a moment to step back from the weeding and watering, and truly experience the magic you've created. Celebrate the longest day in the heart of your green sanctuary, and let your garden remind you that it's not just a hobby, but a vibrant space for life's most precious moments. What are your plans? for celebrating the summer solstice in your garden.